Right, what we've got here is a Holden Colorado 3-litre turbo, and every time I start it I get a whiff of fumes inside the cab. So you can see there's some black carbon build up, so there's obviously some sort of seal leaking under the intercooler there. So we'll take this off and see what we can find. Yeah, there's quite a bit. Looks like the gasket around the, what do you call it, the exhaust is busted or something. Take all that off and have another better look. So we've definitely got a leak around some gasket or carbon build up here, just under where the intercooler went. So yeah, you got to pretty much take out everything you can to just get at certain bolts to get covers off. So a bit of work to be done yet. Hopefully it's not too major. So we'll get this cover off, then we can take this thing off. I'm not even sure what that is. So yeah, we'll have a look. I hate mucking around the exhaust bolts. Look at that. Just about twisted off inside. Just about had a major problem. All the thread was starting to strip. That one as well. 2 more to go, and they're right behind the head there, so can't see what I'm doing, so I'm just spraying, tightening, loosening off, and hope for the best. Right, I think I found the problem. This is a heat exchanger, so I found out, and just in here you can see a little crack right around here, so I think that's where all the soot's coming up. So everything's in lockdown in New Zealand because of this coronavirus, so no use me taking that off. I might just try and use some sort of aluminum tape or copper tape, try and wrap around here for now. And I don't think I'd be able to get this off either, because in here I haven't got the tools for it. That piece there has to come off, and there's no way I can get anything that I've got in there to sort that out. And there's a couple more bolts around here to take off, and I don't want to really mess with them because it's on the exhaust, and those other ones just about stripped off and snapped off. So yeah, I don't think it's going to be cheap. I just had a quick look on Google, and I think it's something like $500 for a heat exchanger, unless they can weld that. I'm not too sure if that's, I'd say it's aluminium. I suppose someone could save me a few bucks. I'll find out, see what the mechanic says. Okay guys, hope this helped you out. Yeah, it's what it does is it just puffs a little bit of fumes when you start up, but after you keep going, it's it seems to be fine. So yeah, it's not too good having that coming inside the vehicle. Right, got it all back together. So what I ended up doing, I didn't record it because I just wanted to get this together before it started to rain. So what I did was I got a bit of aluminium tape, wrapped it around that crack, then got a bit of gasket cement and a hose clamp and just tightened it up around it. So that's the temporary fix until I can get a mechanic to have a look at it. I'll try and let it try and make it last as long as possible as well, because a quick look on Google and one of those heat exchangers is $500-600, and you've got the labour for the mechanic involved, probably about $1,000. So yeah, I'm not too happy about that, but shit happens. I'll give it a crank up and hopefully nothing blows out, no smoke or puffing like it's got a leak. No tools in the way. Right, hopefully it'll last a while. Hope this helps you guys out. Cheers.